Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about nutrition and dietetics question paper. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year February 2021. This question paper is for first year post basic BSc nursing students. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. Already we have posted many videos related to question paper for BSc nursing students, and also we have started posting videos for post basic BSc nursing students with regard to question paper. If you have not watched it, you can watch our channel playlist for more videos related to nutrition, foundation of nursing, as well as BSc nursing question papers. As well as for second year post basic BSc nursing students, we have a separate playlist for nursing research and statistics, which will be more or less same as that of BSc nursing students, so that you can watch that also and you can get benefited. So now we will see what are all the questions they have given in nutrition and dietetics. So the question paper code is 1616, and this question paper, as I told, it was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences for first year examination 2IDC, that is post basic program, and this is for only 2 hours. The maximum marks allotted is 35 marks. So here we have to answer the following question. Write an essay on any one of the following. So this carries 10 marks. So total itself I told it is 35 marks and the hours allotted is 2 hours. So write an essay on any one of the following is 10 marks. So here first question, you have two sessions, 1A and 1B. So under 1A, explain the principles and practices of nutrition and dietetics, which is for 5 marks, and 1B, that is balanced diet, that is also for 5 marks. So 1A is explain the principles and practices of nutrition and dietetics. 1B is balanced diet. Each carries 5 plus 5, that is 10 marks. 2A, classify carbohydrates, which is for 2 marks. 2A, classify carbohydrates, and 2B, describe about digestion, absorption and metabolism of carbohydrates, which is for 8 marks. So 2A is classify carbohydrates, which is 2 marks, and 2B, describe about digestion, absorption and metabolism of carbohydrates, which is 8 marks. So 2 plus 8, how much? It is 10 marks. So here you have a choice, so you can answer any one out of these two questions. Next is write short notes on any 3 of the following. So here they will be giving 5 questions, that is from 3 to 7 it is 5 mark questions, and you have to answer only 3 out of 5. You have to answer only 3. Each question carries 5 marks. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15 marks. So 3, malnutrition. 4, feeding of premature infants. 5, assessment of nutritional status of an individual. 6, methods of food preservation. 7, school lunch program. I repeat the questions. Third question is malnutrition. Fourth question, feeding of premature infants. Fifth question, assessment of nutritional status of an individual. Sixth question, methods of food preservation. Seventh question is school lunch program. Okay, so these are the questions. So what I want you to do is, whichever you are knowing very clearly, you are confident enough, out of these 5 questions, select those 3 questions and write. Don't write extra answers unnecessarily. It is waste of time. So first itself you decide out of these 5, whichever you know the best, you write it, because extra questions if you are writing also, you won't get marks. We will be awarding marks and we will be taking the best marks, but first itself if you are deciding which question you know the best means, so there is unnecessary wastage of time will not be there. So this is a small tip from me. And next is write brief answers of the following. So here define deficiency status, 8th question. 9th question, enumerate the importance of nutrition education. 10th question, define menu plan. 11th question, list the caution we should take preparation for supplementary food of infants. 12th question, define community nutrition program. I repeat the questions. 8th question is define deficiency status. 9th question, enumerate the importance of nutrition education. 10th question, define menu plans. 11th question, list the caution we should take preparation of supplementary food for infants. 12th question, define community nutrition program. So these 5 questions, there is no choice, you have to answer all the 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks and 5 into 2 is equal to 10 marks. So here there are 3 sessions. The first session carries 10 marks, the second session carries 15 marks, and the third session carries 10 marks. So totally it is 35 marks and the time allotted is 2 hours. So you can watch our channel playlist for more nursing related videos. If you have any of your family members or friends studying intermediate or 10th standard, we are posting videos related to science subjects. You can watch our channel playlist with regard to science subjects for 10th and intermediate also. Okay, so if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it also, you can go and watch it. We have posted many videos with related to BSc Nursing Nutrition syllabus wise. So that will be useful for you people also, because more or less the syllabus is going to be same only. So you can watch that also and you can refer and you can write. So when you are going for second year also, you have our channel playlist Nursing Research and Statistics, which is more or less same for both BSc Nursing and post basic BSc Nursing students. Similarly, we have posting the question paper related series for BSc Nursing. So some of the topics you may also have, so you can refer those question papers also. And foundations, we have posted a few videos and we are posting the videos, we are working on it also. And methods also we have posted some videos. So detailedly I have told whatever the videos have been present in our channel playlist, so you can watch those videos and get benefited. And kindly support to Science Easy Tech channel and share with your friends. Thank you friends.